Hello, in this video we practice some date and time exercises, Python date and time exercises. So first one, write a Python script, display various date time formats. So this date time we have to display here. So just simple here. If you want to work with date and time, you have to import this date time module here. Okay, date time module. If you want to work with date and time, you have to import this date time module, and these are the methods. Some methods are there, inbuilt methods are there. Okay, you have to remember that datetime.now method means it displays current time and date. Okay, and also string f time, string format time. This is a format. Just check the execute output here. So if current year is called 2023 here. Okay, so today dot strip time is 2023, month of the year. If you want to get month, you have to write this format time. Okay, string format time here, method here, that is okay, it returns string here. B means it returns a month of the year. Okay, means December here. Okay, so if you want to return week number of the year means capital W, percentage capital W. Weekday of the week means small w. Day means J here. Okay, day of the month means percentage D here. Okay, and day of the week means percentage capital A. Okay, these are the inbuilt formats, string formats. You have to remember string format methods. So datetime module. Okay, current date and time, current year, month of the year, right, we'll get here. Okay, just check it out.